The only thing that we're really missing now is stair access. So it looks like these 2x12s are gonna do the trick. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to get those traced out to get my treads all set into there. And then I'm gonna get all 3 of those. And basically I'm gonna build the stairs, and we're gonna take the stairs and lean it up there and anchor it in. And then we're gonna go get some corner brackets and get her all set up against this joist. Now we'll also put in some blocking here and here to stabilize everything with this, because of course as that force comes in, that may make that board want to roll one way or the other. And we put in some blocking, for example, right here, okay, right around our corner post. And our corner post is cut in half, and then we've got screws on the outside, screws on the inside here, and it is rock solid, I will tell you that. And then also you can see we've got it cut into the deck boards there. So we're gonna anchor our stairs here, and those are actually gonna come up right against this face. And you can see that that face doesn't have any anchoring here. The nice thing here is that we're short in between these two. We don't have a big span, kind of like we do over here, which is 16 inches. And we're just gonna take that, gonna leave these a little bit long. They're gonna overhang that tread, okay? And we're gonna butt that right up against here. Corner brackets on the outside. And then we'll get her all tied in there. I'm gonna watch some videos on that. But boy, the other thing I would say, this underneath here is a cool space. I'm 6'3", and I can basically walk all the way down here without hitting my head. So we've got a cool space during a hot day where we can get down and hang out. Then I'm also gonna build right down in this area. I haven't talked about this at all. I'm planning on building or enclosing this area. Now, looking at the amount of storage that I actually need, I could probably enclose this run right here with an external door on this side. Obviously there's an overhang here and a waterproof the top of this. Create some type of waterproof roof that has a pitch on it that would run down here. But really what I want to be able to do is I want to be able to put a lawnmower in here during the winter. During the summer, I want to be able to put my snow blowers, that kind of stuff, garden tools. I want all that stuff because, of course, it's proximal to what's going on out here. And honestly, it is not fun to have it in the garage. But I get that put in here, and I think that would change the way it feels in the garage, and I think it would be awesome. I might even think about putting a door just down here on the southern side so I can open it up. I'll always get some light in there. And I actually think I prefer that. The only downside is the height of the door, but again, doesn't have to be to code. I'm just enclosing this, which I'll probably just 2x4, 2x4, and put a wood floor on it. Maybe for something like that. I don't know. Still dreaming yet. We'll get it figured out.